Are you tired of doom scrolling? Here's GameTok, where you can scroll and play games that are being generated on the fly. So here we're playing a little snake game that was AI generated. If you don't like the game, just click and swipe. Scroll to the next game. Here we have a little Pong game that was generated. Swipe again, and you have a new game. These games are all being generated by using Morph to change the code and are being hosted on Freestyle for the dev server. You can even prompt a game. So here, I'm going to type in a prompt that I want to play a shooter game. It's sped up here. It's taking a minute to generate. And here is generated a Space Invaders video game. So these are being completely generated on the fly. And it's like an endless scrolling TikTok, but for video games.